Welcome to East Tutorials. In this video, we are going to solve a tutorial problem on minimum spanning tree using Prim's algorithm. Initially, you have to construct a table with 4 columns for the given graph. The column headers are vertex, node, DV and next. So vertex means you have to list all the vertices given in the graph. Node means initially it will be 0 and if you are visiting at any step, you have to mark it as 1. So initially it is 0 since we are not visiting anything. dv is the distance. Initially we don't know the distance value, so we are marking infinity, and next node also we don't know, so we are marking it as dash. So in the next step I am going to start with any node. So alphabetically A is first. I am starting with A. So you have to mark the fringes of A. Fringes means neighbors. So A is the tree node and B and C are the fringes or neighbors of A. So you have to mark along with weight. 1 and 4 are their weight. So now you have to fill the table. You are visited A, so you are marking that as 1 and the distance from A to A is 0. So with A you are knowing the distance of B and C. So you are marking next node as A for B and C and the corresponding weights as 1 and 4. That is their distance. D and E are not known, so I am putting it as infinity. So in the next I am bringing the node with least weight, that is B, because it is having 1, so I am bringing it inside the tree node and I am making it as visited. Other all things remain 0 still. So from the previous step, copy the fringes of A. A is having only one fringe, C. Now write the fringes or neighbors of B. A, C and D are the neighbors. A is already inside the tree, so only C and D are the neighbors of B. Write their weights also. So 2 for C and 1 for D. Now we are having 2 C's. Remove the duplicate. So the node with high value will be rejected. Now A is rejected. For B you are having 2 fringes, C and D. So C is having the weight 2 via B and D is having the distance 1 via B. So 1 B, like that you are writing in the corresponding row of D. Remaining things you have to copy from the previous table. So now among this, D is having the minimal weight, so you are moving that into the tree node in the next step. So A, B and D will be present in the tree node side. Write them along with their weightage. Now what are the fringes of the previous step? A, it is rejected, you can leave. So for B you are having 2 fringes. D has been brought to tree node, so only one fringe you have to write, C. D has been brought into the tree node, so it's okay. Now find the fringes or neighbors of D. So B, it is already inside the tree. So C I am marking with the weight 3 and E I am marking as the fringe with the weight 2. Now again I have duplicates, I need to remove. The newly added C is having highest weight, so I am rejecting it and I am keeping the previous one. So in this step I have visited D, so I am making its known value as 1. So the fringes newly added was E, 2 via D, C I have rejected, so I need not write. Only the old value of C, that is 2 via B, you are retaining it. Other all the values you can copy it from the previous step. Now in this, the minimal value is 2. C and E are having the minimal value. You can choose any node. Alphabetically C is coming first, so I am going to move C now. So other all the nodes you have to copy from the previous step in the tree node side. For C I am seeing the fringes. So A, it is already in tree node, B is also in the tree node side, D is also in the tree node and only E is left out. So E via C has the weightage of 7. From the previous step you have to copy the fringes. So for D you are having E, only that is left out, that also you have to copy first. So compare, the old value is minimal, new value is rejected. So in this step I am visiting C. So I am marking the known value as 1. For E via D only you are having, no changes will be there. So from the previous step I am copying all the values. Now I am going to bring E to the tree node. So if I bring E, all the neighbors or fringes of E will be already present in the tree node. So I can stop the problem and mark E as visited 1 or known as 1. Copy all the values from the previous step and you can stop the problem, and this is your final answer. Problem is over and this is my final minimum spanning tree. If you are comparing this with the answer of Kruskal's algorithm, you will be getting the same. This problem I have solved using Kruskal's algorithm and I got the same answer. I have posted the link in the description box. Do visit that video also. Kindly share, like and subscribe to Easy Tutorial.